Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi, Assistant Professor RPIIT Pharmacy. In this video, I will detail about the pathophysiology of IBS, that is Irritable Bowel Syndrome. Exactly the pathophysiology of IBS is not very clear, but maybe the any other symptoms like alteration in GIT motility means जो हमारी GI गट की मोटिलिटी है, मोटाइल मूवमेंट है, जो चलने की स्पीड है, मोटिलिटी है, वो सही ढंग से नहीं हो पाती, तो उस वजह से भी आईबीएस हो सकता है। विसरल हाइपर सेंसिटिविटी, इंक्रीज सेंसेशन इन द रिस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई मीन्स जो ब्रेन में कुछ ऐसे न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर रिलीज होते हैं जो हमारे मोटाइल मूवमेंट और जीआईटी मूवमेंट को आगे बढ़ने के लिए फोर्स करते हैं, जिससे कि ज़्यादा स्पाज्म पेट में हो सकते हैं। और brain gut axis, the directly link of our brain with gut is the communication between enteric nervous system and CNS. So it may be cause the IBS and post infection. These are the about only very low cases, that is 10%, that is triggered by GIT infection or maybe genetics. Who else gets IBS? IBS किसको हो सकता है? Mainly panic disorder or psychological condition है. People which have a family history, genetics or and depression types people and anxiety which may cause trigger the IBS, or it may causes fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, a condition that causes widespread muscle and soft tissue pain, and mandibular disorder which causes pain and discomfort in the jaw muscles and joint. Symptoms are mainly cramps, abdominal pain, abdominal discomfort, distension, pain, bloating, with a period of constipation or maybe or diarrhea, and incomplete bowel movement sensation and mucus in the stool. The types of IBS, that is constipation predominant. The person tends to alternate constipation with normal stool. Symptoms of abdominal cramping or aching are commonly triggered by eating. Diarrhea predominant. The person tends to experience diarrhea first thing in the morning after eating, and the alternate constipation और डायरिया में भी कभी इसको कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो जाता है और कभी इसको डायरिया हो, बार बार कोई एक दो चीज़ दोबारा बार हो जाना, डायरिया दोबारा हो जाना, बार बार हो जाना, और हर टाइम टॉयलेट की तरफ जाना, तो इट मे बी द टाइप्स ऑफ आईबीएस. IBS constipation is another is food moves too slowly through the bowel that causes the stool hard to pass, and IBS diarrhea, food moves too quickly through the bowel, this causes watery stools. So maybe constipation or maybe watery stools causes the IBS. So this is the IBS types pathophysiologies. Thank you.